again, thank you for your time. Really, really hyped that you are able to give it to everybody like this. The other question I did have is Ringless voicemail. Is that something you're still currently doing? I didn't know you did a video like a year ago on it. I wasn't sure if that was still something you're...
Yeah, so Ringless voicemail in Florida has just been dead ever since I made that video. So basically, there's case law in the state of Florida where they're going after people. Actually, Rick knows people, and I actually know them, not personally, but Rick does know them personally. They're getting slapped with $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 fines for RVMs. Wow. So I just stay away from it. Yeah. It's not even the 40 grand because we can do very well with RVMs. It's just I don't want to deal with the legal process. I don't want the government going after me. So we keep everything legal where we're at. So that's in Florida. Yep. Overall now, RVMs still work, but it's probably going to get erased or kind of panned out in the next year with the Trace Act. So RVMs probably no. But right now, for the next 365 days, 60 days, actually 60 days, I would say, they should still work.
Excuse me. I was just wondering if that was even worth kind of putting time into learning that whole system and the way those things work. But,
Yeah, it'd be a tougher one, man. That's the one thing I could tell you.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.